Everybody. In today's class, we are going to learn a very interesting topic in algebra known as ratio and proportion. For that, let us first learn what is ratio. When you divide a number by another number and express it in the simplest form, it is known as the ratio between the two numbers. For example, take a look here. The ratio between 3 and 6 is 3 divided by 6, which is equal to half. The ratio between 4 and 8 is 4 divided by 8, which is equal to half. From the concept of ratio, we move on to proportionality. When two or more ratios are equal, we say the numbers are proportional. For example, here 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to half. We say the numbers 3, 6, 4 and 8 are proportional. So we may move on to the definition of proportionality from here. We say the numbers A, B, C, D, 4 numbers are said to be proportional if A by B is equal to C by D. Symbolically, we may write it as A is to B equal to C is to D, or we may replace the sign of equality between them by this sign. But I would suggest you to use this one as you are more comfortable with the sign of equality. Also, it is to be noted here, when four numbers are proportional, the last one, that is D in this case, is known as the fourth proportional. Now we discuss another concept in proportion known as the continued proportion, which is about the proportionality of three numbers A, B and C. Since there are three numbers, one of the numbers has to be repeated, and the one which is repeated is the middle one, which will be there in both the ratios. So let us have a look at the definition of continued proportion. As I have already mentioned, the three numbers we are considering are A, B and C. So A, B and C are said to be in continued proportion if A by B is equal to B by C. Look, the middle one, B, is there in the denominator of the first ratio and is there in the numerator of the second ratio. So, A, B, C are said to be in continued proportion if A by B is equal to B by C. You also must note that the middle one, B, is known as the mean proportional between A and C, and the third one, C, is also known as the third proportional between A, B and C.